So here we go, let's start sowing. Put a line out, made a seed drill, sowing the row like this. It's just a case of just knocking the soil back. It could be a couple of weeks really before you see anything, and it depends on the time of year. If it's a bit warmer, you might see them in say 10 days, you might see them coming through, but maybe a couple of weeks at this time of year. If you've got a cloche over them, they may come through a little bit quicker. Here we are at our carrot crop. We sowed these last month. It's now mid-April. We sowed them very early actually, so they've been covered with cloches. If you're going to sow sort of as early as March, you do need to cover with cloches. They've come through quite nicely, and typically of carrots, we've not got an even row of germination. You can actually just sow some more seed. The good thing about that is then you'll get a succession of crops. So when these are ready to be harvested, the ones I've just sown now are going to be three or four weeks later. Put a few more seeds in and tap the soil back. The ones that have grown, you often find a bit too thickly sown in places. So now's a good time to just literally pinch out a couple, just gently tease them out like so. So you leave a little bit of a gap between each seedling, and then let those grow on a bit more, and then they can actually be thinned out again. The other thing to do is just to knock off any weeds, which is what Tony's been doing. And then, as I say, it's mid-April, but it's been a bit of a cold start, so I think we might as well put the cloches back on. I'll give them a little bit of water, yeah. Yeah, it's been a bit of a cold, dry start, hasn't it? So it's worth giving them a bit of a water.
Considering, we sowed them quite early, they've done quite well, haven't they?
Yeah, really. And I think the cloches have helped. I mean, these can probably come off the end of the month, end of April. And there we go. So we'll have an update next month.